All right, so picture this, you're working on like a budget for, I don't know, a club or something, or
Yeah.
even just like your to-do list, and you're using a spreadsheet, right?
Mhm.
It's all going fine, and then you've got to get like a really long address
Oh my gosh.
or a long description into a single cell.
The worst.
It's a nightmare.
It is.
But
Yeah.
what if I told you there was a shortcut,
Oh.
a keyboard combo
Hmm.
that would change how you do spreadsheets forever?
Okay. I'm intrigued.
It's super simple, but learning this one little trick is going to unlock like so much more efficiency
Okay.
and organization and readability in your spreadsheets.
I'm ready. Lay it on me.
So are you ready?
Yes.
It's Alt plus Enter.
Alt plus Enter.
That's it.
That's it.
While you're typing in a cell, hold down Alt and Enter,
Okay.
and it inserts a line break
Yeah.
so you can keep typing on a new line.
Oh, so you're telling me I don't have to like highlight the whole row to make it taller,
Exactly.
fit all the stuff in. No more of those like awkward long cells that stretch across like the whole spreadsheet.
Yes.
Amazing.
And it's so much better than merging cells,
Oh, tell me about it.
which, if you're going to do any sorting or filtering later,
Right.
totally messes everything up.
Yeah, and sometimes I merge cells and then I'm like, oh wait, I actually do need to sort this. And I'm like, shoot.
Yeah, you're stuck.
Back to square one.
Yeah, this keeps your data nice and neat, but also easy to read.
That's huge. I mean, data is like useless unless you can actually, read it and understand it.
Right, it's got to be clear. It's got to be organized.
I'm thinking about like, if you're doing research,
Yeah.
all those long descriptions.
Yes, like imagine, for example, you have to enter a multi-line address into a single cell.
Yes.
Without Alt plus Enter, it's just like this jumbled mess.
Right.
But boom, Alt plus Enter.
Each line.
Each line clear and distinct.
So nice.
And this is like applicable to so many things, like, making lists within a cell.
Oh.
Or, breaking up those super long descriptions for projects.
What about like bullet points?
Ooh, yeah, like writing a table instead of having to like create a whole separate section.
That is genius. That's going to save me so much time.
And there's even a little bonus tip here.
Okay.
Alt plus Enter helps maintain a consistent row height, which just makes your spreadsheet look so much more professional.
Okay, so it's not just about like the functionality, it's like, the visual aesthetic.
Yeah, it's just clean, it's crisp,
Professionalism.
professional.
I love it.
So to recap, really the big takeaway is just that Alt plus Enter
Yeah.
is going to revolutionize how you do spreadsheets.
For anyone really, I mean, anyone who uses spreadsheets, which is like a lot of people,
Everyone.
pretty much.
So now that you know this,
Yeah.
what other creative ways can you think of to really improve your spreadsheets, boost your productivity?
Well, like I said, those long descriptions, I think that's going to be huge for me.
Yeah.
But I'm also thinking about like, to-do lists. Uh-huh.
Right in the spreadsheet so you can check them off.
Yeah, and like organize it by project.
Exactly. And then, when you're working with other people,
Collaborating.
collaboration, exactly. It's all right there, clear, easy to read.
And I bet once you start using it, you're going to like think of even more creative ways to really get the most out of it.
Oh, absolutely. I'm already like brainstorming over here.
So yeah, next time you're in a spreadsheet, just give it a try, see what you can do with Alt plus Enter.
I'm excited to try it out.
And I think you're really going to be amazed by how much of a difference such a small little thing can make.
I think so too.
All right, well, that's it for our deep dive today.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for listening.
I learned a lot.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.